Gemini, this is the year end, and let's see that what 2025 is asking you to let go, and which is no longer is going to serve you in a life, and what you have to embrace in 2026, because it's all about action. It's Sun's energy, number one card. Everything is about action, action, action. So let's see that what 2025 is going to guide you, asking you to let go. 2025 is asking you to let go your mind, your pain, asking you to let go all your stress, which is no longer. That's all, everything is all created within your own self, because your mind is so much occupied. This year would have been a very stressful year, because your mind was so much occupied with so many thoughts and so many unwanted thoughts, I can say, because you've been so that is what it is asking you to let go this 2025, because only if your mind is so much occupied with so much of negative emotions, negative thoughts, things are not going to work. This would have been coming on and off in your life in this 2025. So this coming 2026, let's see that what universe is going to guide you, what you have to embrace in 2026, and what is this main message you're getting in 2026. 2026 is a beautiful card of come, and this is asking you to go with the flow, like whatever it is coming in, do not have any much expectation in life. Whatever the life is coming, the way it is coming, embrace that. That is what main message of your 2026 when you do life. And because try to go with the flow of the current in your life, right? Current means is flow of the what, however it is going. If there is an ups and downs is there, you go with that, and everything is for the good, you take it that way and move it. That is a strong messages come from the universe in 2026. So best wishes, Gemini.